So on the 2019 Colorado, gotten a little fender bender. I think we showed you guys the before. So pretty much what the guys have done is they've taken the puller, put it on there. I think we showed some of that too. Do the stud welders, welded it, went ahead and pulled it, got it really, really flat. And then now pretty much they're just going over, doing a skim coat of Bondo, getting everything smooth. Once we're all done with the body work, we'll be pulling the doors off, handles off. We're gonna blend the bottom rocker and the doors, and then we're gonna re-clear basically the whole entire pillar. So the pillar is gonna be re-cleared as well as the doors, so that way you can't ever tell there was a repair done to it. It should look flawless with no tape lines or anything else.
But I got too close with the bundle, with my primer. It was too close to the fender.
Oh.
So I don't want to take the chance. I fucking did it. You know what I mean? Only right here at the bottom, I put color on it. That way everything looks like the same. A lot of people replace the fender, they only paint the fender, it's not gonna match. Because the other colors, the other paint, it's oxidized, cold, and this can be bright. You know what I mean? So what I do, I blend it. Let's say I replace the fender, I'll blend this door. So lose my color right there, it's clear, good.